With my doggy, guys. I'm absent from school because my teeth were hurting. Just went to. Okay, stop yawning at me. Your smell stinks. I was absent because my teeth were hurting. Okay, I love you too. Okay, guys. We got boat. 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 Okay, guys, jeez. Really? She's tired, guys, and I was been training her. I know you guys cannot. Like, I play with. I'm not training her, but I train. I don't train her, but I did go like that. She barks at me. She tried to bite me. Yeah, she's gonna sleep on my neck. She's so warm. Okay, guys. So Bolt is a boy. He's gonna be in mostly every videos. He just sneezed on me. Ready? Oh, I need a shower after this. Yep. Oh, okay, gosh. She's so cute, guys. Little fur ball. Set it to camera. Okay, guys, so I'm not gonna sleep, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys subscribe. Yeah, and guess what, guys? Yesterday, I timed the whole 5 days, and then, like, it was 63 hours in total of 5 days. It was 63 hours. Oh my god. But yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys subscribe. Hope you guys like this video. And peace. Bye. I love you guys.